had a question the other day about keeping collage papers flat, and I've been working a lot in these little handmade journals, and I use a lot of collage elements. So I just want to show you what I do, because I was about to add this little piece of paper this morning and I thought I'd film it for you. So first of all, I use a pretty stiff brush for gluing, and I'm using Golden Heavy Gel Matte Medium, and it's a nice thick medium. So open that up and have my papers ready, and here we go. You want to put on a pretty liberal layer, making sure to cover all the way to the edges of the part that you're gluing. I'm only going halfway across here because part of the page doesn't need to be covered. And then press pretty firmly to adhere it. I just use my finger, but you could also use something called a bone folder, which is a bookmaking tool. And then I'm just going to check the edge here. I can tell that it's not quite enough. Another thick layer there. If you want it to be extra secure, you could put a book on it overnight or for a couple of hours while it dries, but I don't usually go to that length. And then I can check the back and make sure it's got a pretty secure glue. So I found that this one works pretty well, even with heavy papers. This one's sort of a construction paper, but this is a more heavy watercolor paper, and I'm going to adhere that one as well.